Today's delivery for the Pain Cave, iOstand XT. It's a freestanding mount / device holder thing for your iPhone, iPad, whatever, or Android device. Well, any device here on the box, any angle, anywhere. Made by a company called iMounts from the USA. Bit of a premium product. They're $150 US, quite expensive, but they are sold out everywhere. I think there's 14 left on Amazon at the moment, so I'll link below to the Amazon link. But let's get this unboxed and see what's in here. We'll get it built and we'll see how strong this thing actually is. Let's get stuck into it. Pass that test. Okay, how do we even open this thing? It's the first test. Close enough. Okay. Not bad. So there's a lot of box for a little bit of equipment. Now we usually throw these things away, but we will have a quick look through these manuals. We have some stickers there. We'll go through those in a sec. Thank you for no worries. Thank you for purchasing. That's what it's all about. And how to put the sticker on the back of your iDevice. We'll go through that in a sec. But let's get this thing built first of all. Doesn't say much there, so we'll put these aside. Pull this out. Okay. So there's not much to it. We've got a heavy base plate. And we've got the actual mount itself and a Phillips head screw in here. Right, now I'm guessing that goes on the bottom. It's countersunk for that. Let's get this thing built. Cyclist arms. Oh, okay, cool. That's pretty much it. We're done. So giving it a bit of a twist this way really locks that into play. So we're done. And what else I didn't find hidden in the box is the magnet itself. That's the magnetic part, and these are the steel discs that stick on the back of your device. So you can see, whoa. Okay, will it hurt? It hasn't pinched, so yeah, that's actually quite strong through there. And the movement of that, you can bend it quite easily. Cool. Oh, and that moves as well. So it's all pretty, it's got sort of a 360-degree movement to it. Okay, cool. Now let's get these into the back of the iPad. So I've got the metal disc on the back of the iPad here. It's been set for over an hour. Let's see how strong this thing actually is. That's not bad. So it sticks like glue. Let's give it a test here. I'm on the grass, so I'll be able to... That's actually pretty good. I'm not going to shake it too hard, but you can see I'm not going easy. that's not coming off in a hurry. But when you do want to take it off, you can sort of pull it off on an angle like that. Comes off pretty neatly. So it sticks on any angle. Not bad. But the ultimate test, how does it go while I'm Zwifting? Okay, let's get the roller set up with the bike and a Zwift session up and running. Bike on the rollers will pair to the power tap pedals today. It's all looking actually pretty neat. I don't mind this solution at all. Normal clothes for now. Wish me luck. Can't even clip in with Nike Airs, but let's go. Okay. And there we have it. Up and running. So all up, a really elegant solution. It looks quite pretty. It's been used quite a lot in the advertising and marketing from Zwift. It just simplifies everything. No cables, Bluetooth the device. It looks quite neat. Biggest downfall though is the price, 150 bucks US, but they are selling out. So links below to where there's a few in stock, but not bad overall. And it's definitely going in my pain cave inside, so I can access this thing a lot easier. Alrighty, thanks for watching.